Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. So today let's make a DIY facial polish, aka scrub. So what it does, it helps to remove the dirt from our face, makeup, and as well it helps to remove the dead skin cells. That's why it's working as an exfoliant. So few nice ingredients, and I would always suggest you to make your own facial scrub, because whatever you're buying in the shops, there's pretty harsh chemicals there, and it could be too large of the portions, for your face. So another thing is never ever use your body scrub on your face, because your face skin and your body skin, it is completely different. Your face skin, it's way thinner, more sensitive, and it could tear your skin cells very easily, So every time you choose scrub particles, make sure that it's super fine particles. Like in this case, I'm gonna use a coconut sugar here. You can use fruit seeds or clays as well, work as an exfoliant. So make your own decision which ones you're gonna use. If you have like apricot kernel nuts or something, grind them in a coffee grinder and use it then. So what are we gonna need? I'm gonna have in here a beaker. Of course, have my little scales here. So the beaker is on, tearing out the scales. I have my formula here, and the whole recipe and formula you will find in the description box below, usual. Okay, so the first one we're gonna need is coconut oil, solid coconut oil. Okay, in here at the moment is solid. If you don't want to use solid coconut oil, try to use maybe butter. But one of the ingredients, it has to be a solid. Therefore, to hold kind of these scrub particles together, that if you're gonna use all liquid plant oils, they're all gonna just sink in at the bottom. So if you don't want to use coconut oil, solid coconut oil, use butter. I don't know, maybe mango or shea butter. Just of course add a little bit less. So in here, what I have in here, 40% of the whole formula of solid coconut oil. So in here it will be 16 grams. As you see, my solid coconut oil, it's not very solid because it's still pretty hot in here. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and it will be fine. Tearing out the scales, then we're gonna add plant oil. I have chosen a grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is pretty light oil. When you're choosing oils, make sure you're not choosing very heavy oils, because it will be very hard to wash off from your skin, yeah? So I'm gonna choose a grapeseed oil, and a grapeseed oil, it's very light in consistency. So 14 grams of grapeseed oil. Okay. And now I'm just gonna add my coconut sugar here. I'm gonna add the coconut sugar here. Coconut sugar is 20% of the whole formula, which is 8 grams. A little bit more. Okay. And as well, I'm gonna add some of the essential oil. You can use your own favorite essential. I used a wild orange essential oil because I love the smell. It comes from coconut and orange. It just smells divine to me. So I'm just using wild orange essential oil, 2%, which is 0.8 grams. And of course, all of this, it's oil-based products, but of course it's gonna get a contact with some water for sure. I'm gonna just add 1% of Preservative Eco here, which is 0.5 grams, 0.4 grams. Just to be on the safe side. Okay. So everything is here. what we're gonna do now here, we're just gonna mix everything together. It's super easy, super simple to do, and I really don't wouldn't understand why would you need to buy a facial scrub from actually shop when you can do yourself, you know, with such a simple ingredients. Mix it very well. You can keep in your fridge, you know, it's with the preservative, you can keep in your fridge. It will last you up to half year, you know, 6 months. So guys, really make everything yourself, especially such a things as facial scrub. And I love the smell. Guys, you must try it. Coconut oil, coconut sugar, you can choose any other plant oil. Don't forget your preservative, and just put some orange essential oil. The smell is literally divine. You must try that, guys. Okay, so I mixed everything here. It's pretty liquidy. I'm just gonna transfer in my container. I have it here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put in the fridge because it's pretty warm outside and it's pretty liquidy. I'm gonna put in the fridge, and then it's gonna get to this solid consistency. Not solid fully, you know, but solid. Yay! And that is your simple facial polish. Okay guys, I'll see you next week. Bye!